Today I will show you how to do it the right way. Watch carefully. I'll show an ordinary napkin. It's a small object so that I don't have to focus on it for a long time. If there is a heavy object, the meditation should be longer. If the subject is light, it can be done within 5 minutes. So, attention. We take an ordinary napkin and just put it under an ordinary jar. Why did I choose this jar? Because there simply can't be anything in it, as you can see. It is completely closed. It is completely glass. That is, showing that it's true. And it's with the jar that I'm showing you that there are no tricks involved. So that people don't think that somehow this is a trickery, or that it's false. Now I'm going to tune into the subject. Look, easy meditation. 3 seconds, as I call it. 3 seconds. We tune into the subject. Just tune in. Watch carefully. And my subject just starts to rise up and float in the air. Let it go slowly. Let it go. And slowly lift up in the air.
И мой предмет начинает просто подниматься в воздух. Пускай медленно, пускай медленно поднимаем и фиксируем его в воздухе. Пускай.
Look, in order to lift, you need the energy connection between the two. That is, we can connect it either with direct or polar energy, The direct energy is not used in the act of lifting a heavier, more voluminous object, for it is much better for polarized energy. That means I can make and very quickly rise and float in the air. Naturally, the molecules of the air, their movements cause the napkin to fluctuate, but essentially, this is not noticeable on large objects.